Are you guys ready for history in the making? Ready in 3, 2, 1. Oh man, look at that. Look at that drifting. Look at that. Oh. What is going on YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and today it's going to be a very, very special review. We're going to be reviewing the Traxxas Fortec 2.0, but it's not just any Traxxas Fortec 2.0. No, this is the 2018 Mustang GT Traxxas Fortec 2.0. So without further ado, let's get right into that review. And bam, just like that, you guys are looking at Traxxas's version of the 2018 Ford Mustang GT with the 5.0 Coyote engine. Guys, take a look at how stunning this car is. By far one of the best looking cars that Traxxas has ever made. Let's go ahead and now take a moment of silence to admire the sheer badassery that is this RC car. It does not matter from any angle that you look at this RC car, guys. Take a look at that wide body stance. Take a look at the detail in the rims. You can even see in there the red brake calipers. Look how thick these rims are. Look how wide that lip is. I mean, this car, like I said, no matter what angle you look at it from, is just not a bad looking RC car. By far, actually, one of the best that Traxxas has ever made. But I know you guys are dying to see this thing in action, so we're gonna make today's video fairly quick. Actually, what we're about to do is actually go under the hood of this 5.0 Coyote Mustang and show you exactly what makes this thing so badass. So let's go ahead and take the hood off and see what makes this bad boy tick. All right, and right off the bat, you see we have the classic Traxxas Fortec design. Now, for a lot of you guys that didn't know, the old Traxxas Fortec used to come in a nitro body, and it was probably one of the fastest platforms that Traxxas ever made. And now, of course, being 2018, everybody's kind of moved on over to electric, sadly. But not so sadly, we have the 2.0 Traxxas Fortec. Guys, take a look at the detail here in this RC. You can actually see the word Traxxas written on the sidewall of those tires. You can actually get a better look at those brake calipers and the brake rotors, slotted and drilled. Look at the amount of detail that has gone into this Traxxas. Check out the stance. Look how low this car is. You know this thing is gonna haul, but take a look at how wide that rear stance is compared to the front. Holy crap, this thing is gonna handle amazing. I can't wait to actually go out there and put this thing to the test. We're gonna cover some of the features that come with this car, just so you guys have an idea of just how badass it actually is. All right, now powering this Mustang 5.0, it's not a Coyote engine, but it is a very trustworthy and very reliable and very fast brushed Traxxas Titan 12-turn 550 motor. This thing is no slouch, although it is brushed. This thing will reach speeds of higher than 30 miles an hour, as you guys are about to see. And of course, we do have a waterproof XL5 ESC. One of the best things about this car is that it has a shaft-driven all-wheel drive system, and it's aluminum. Yes, I said all-wheel drive. This beast is all-wheel drive. It's going to be crazy. I mean, the amount of grip that these tires are going to have is going to be absolutely mind-blowing. Also, it might not be easy to tell, but this does have right there, although it is waterproof, it does have a fixed gear mesh system. Everything here has been upgraded. It is all fully aluminum, as you guys can see. Even the drive shaft is aluminum as well, and it does have an integrated servo saver. But enough mumbo jumbo. I know you guys are dying to see this thing in action. Oh, one more thing, actually, I was gonna say, I'm gonna go ahead and charge the battery and put this thing to the test. One more thing, this is gonna be powered by a 2S Lipo battery, so it's gonna be interesting because it doesn't come with a Lipo. I'm gonna put a Lipo on it, so this thing is gonna be hauling major ass. But without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and put this Mustang GT to the test. All right, guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. By far, one of my favorite parts right here. Check it out, four-wheel donuts. That's what we call all-wheel drive donuts. You guys wanna see it one more time? Here we go. Oh my goodness. Anyways, moment you guys have been waiting for, the speed test. By far my all-time favorite kind of RC testing. So without further ado, let's see just how fast this bad boy can go. Here we go. All right, guys, I'm gonna start with a slow fine throttle, and then we're gonna give it all force. Here we go, hold on. Oh my God, that's fast. All right, here comes a flyby, here we go. I'm gonna try to keep it under control. Oh my God. Whoa. Look at that. That's all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive drifting for you. Oh my goodness. Camera can barely keep up. All-wheel drive drifting, check that out. I'm gonna bring the action close to you guys. Oh! All right, so there was a car coming that could potentially kill me. It doesn't matter. I'm still going to test the braking capabilities of this thing. All-wheel drive, 4-disc brakes. Here we go. Check that out one more time. One more time. Shit. Oh my God. That was stupid, but you guys got the idea of this thing. This thing is an absolute monster. So from this point on, I'm just gonna stop talking. I know you guys want to see more four-wheel drive drifting going on, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just a couple flybys and some four-wheel drive drifting. Oh my God. All right guys, so I'm tired of doing four-wheel drive donuts. I know you guys are dying to see this thing get punished and abused. You know it's a Traxxas, you know it can handle it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this thing on a dirt course. We're gonna put it through dirt and see just how much more abuse this all-wheel drive Mustang GT can take. It's gonna be one hell of a ride. So let's go ahead and head out to the dirt field and give it a try. All right guys, the moment you've been waiting for. As the sun sets, will this Mustang be able to handle? I mean, just take a look at the kind of terrain that it's going to be facing. Take a look. If you were to put these rocks up to scale, they will be like giant boulders. Not only that, we're going to take it all through here. I mean, the terrain is just completely devastating. Let's put it to the test. It's an on-road car, but we're about to see if it can handle some backyard rallying. So without further ado, let's go ahead and put it to the test. Here we go. Oh man, look at that. Look at that drifting. Look at that. Oh, look at that drifting. I'm serious off-roading with this thing. Oh my God, I just hit a giant boulder with it and it's still going. I want you guys to see that I really do put these RCs to the test. I mean, just take a look at all the stuff falling out. Do me a favor, Jaden. Turn left and right on the steering wheel. Yeah. Still turns like a champ. Hit that accelerator all the way. All right, now slowly reverse it. And it works like a champ. That, ladies and gentlemen, is Traxxas for you. Not one thing out of place. Everything exactly where it goes, besides a little bit of dust. And oh yeah, in case you missed it, it crashed into that rock. Everything in the rear is still perfectly fine. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Stay tuned, because if you guys remember, I did have a Traxxas Slash that got completely dominated by a cheap Chinese knockoff RC truck. You guys might know it as the one-legged wheelie monster. Well, guess what? I got a fast Traxxas now, and we're gonna do the rematch of a century. Keep an eye out for that video. Either way, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. It's your boy, Mr. Random. Don't forget, Traxxas, the fastest name on RC, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one.